Well, he said cash out Pazelle. Matter of fact, scratch that, I'ma send you a stat just cause you fine as hell. And I told him, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go, they just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes. I got hoes, might just be on there, in different area codes. He know what's up. Everywhere I go, every time I pop out, I call and they drop the low. They don't drop that fucking location.